In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDF in Sejda PDF Editor. By the end, you'll know how to edit text, add links and images, sign documents, and export a polished PDF, all in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and go to Sejda, an online tool that specializes in PDF tasks. It runs in the cloud, so you don't need to install anything, and it works on most modern browsers. Sejda offers a generous free tier with task limits, which is perfect for quick edits or light workflows. On the homepage, look for the option that says Edit a PDF document. It's free to use for most basic edits. Click it to open the editor. This will take you to a page where you can upload your file. You can click the upload button and choose a PDF from your computer. You can also drag and drop your file right onto the page. If your document is large, give it a moment to load. Once your PDF is open, start with text. Select the text tool to edit existing text or add new text boxes. Click directly on the text you want to change, then adjust the font, size, color, and alignment from the toolbar. Keep in mind that some PDFs are essentially images. In those cases, Sejda overlays editable text rather than altering the original text layer, which still works great for corrections and additions. Zoom in for precise edits and proofread as you go. Next, choose the Links tool to add or edit hyperlinks. Draw a rectangle around the area you want to be clickable, then paste the URL. You can link to websites or in some cases to a specific page within the document. Test links in the preview to make sure they open correctly after export. To add visuals, click Images. Upload an image from your device, then resize, rotate, or reposition it on the page. High-resolution images look sharper but can increase file size, so balance quality with performance. Align images with nearby text for a clean, professional look. When you need to sign or fill out forms, select the Sign tool. You can type your name, draw a signature with your mouse or trackpad, or upload a signature image. Place it where required and consider adding the date or initials if the document asks for them. When everything looks right, click Apply Changes. Sejda will process your edits and generate the final file. After processing, download the PDF to your device. Make sure to save it before closing the page so you don't lose your work. That's it, your edited PDF is ready to share or print.